Take a ride in the 2023 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.